What is the difference between man dem and dem man?
Come and me teach you patois now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patois Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan and I'm from Jamaica. In today's video, I will teach you the difference between man dem and dem man. As a matter of fact, I will teach you 6 different ways that dem is used in Jamaican Patois and how the meaning changes. So if that's something you might be interested in, please keep watching. Now, the first way that dem is used is to pluralize nouns. There's a whole video about just this one point that you can go and watch. However, to summarize, when you add dem as the suffix of a noun, it becomes a plural. For example, if we have book, in Jamaican Patois, book dem would be books. Boy is one. Boy dem, boys. Okay? So the first way is to pluralize. The second way dem is used in Jamaican Patois is to show association. Mary is the name of a person, right? So if I say marry them, the dem here, it means Mary and company, Mary and her friends, Mary and her family, whoever Mary is associated with, depending on the context of whatever I'm saying about Mary. Okay, so if I say something like, marry them over there, that means Mary and whoever Mary hangs out with or Mary's family are at a certain place. If I say Mr. Jones dem, it means Mr. Jones and his associates and his company and whoever he hangs out with. The third meaning of dem, or the third use of dem in Jamaican Patois, is it means they. They. So in a sentence like, them a call him, them a call him. In this case, them is they. They are calling him. They are calling him. Them a call him. Number 4, them can also mean them. Them. So for example, in this sentence, them over there a call them. Them over there call them. Them over there call them. This them means they. But this one means them. In Jamaican Patois, there is no difference between subject and object pronouns. I'll do a whole video about subject and object pronouns soon. But in this case, them over there a call them means they are over there calling them. So it can mean them. Whole heap of them. Whole heap of them. Them here means them. Whole heap of them means a lot of them. Whole heap of them. Number 5. Dem de blank de. So in this case, when dem is followed by de, whatever de, it means those. For example, dem de book de, dem de book de, dem de book de, that means those books. If it's followed, number 6, it can mean these. If it's followed by dem ya blank ya, dem ya book ya, dem ya book ya, these books, dem de book de, those books, dem de gyal de, dem ya gyal ya. So de and ya tells us which one, if it's those or these. Now, the de and the ya after the dem can be omitted, but it seldomly is. It's hardly ever omitted. So when
something can also be placed in front of it. For example, fidem, which means theirs. So it can mean their man, fidem man, fidem man. And something can also be placed fidem, and like you're saying, a fidem one man, a fidem man, and that could mean it belongs to them, man, and man could be the ending, the sentence ending particle that is also used in Jamaican patois.
So, to answer the question, what's the difference between mandem and dem man? Mandem means men, or it's now a popular slang that means friends or something like that. But in Jamaican patois, mandem means men. It's the plural of man. Dem man, it's like you're going to say something about it. So if you say dem mania, dem mande, it depends on whether it's going to mean these or those. It's unfinished. Dem man. Something needs to follow this. This is an unfinished thought. So in this video, I showed you 6 different ways in which dem can be used in Jamaican patois and how the meanings change. So now for today's challenge. Do you know what this sentence means? I want to dem man, man. I want to dem man, man. Okay, so pause the video and write the answer, what you think it is, in the comment section below. Now would also be a good time to subscribe to this channel and like the video. So, I want to dem man, man. This means, what's wrong with these men? What's wrong with these men? If you got the answer correct, please let me know in the comment section below. Here's your golden star. I don't have a golden star, but you deserve a golden star because you are awesome. Do you know how to introduce yourself in Jamaican patois? Do you know how to pluralize nouns? How to count? If not, please check out those videos and so much more on this channel.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine.